Hello, it's Julie Rothwell here. I thought I would drop by and give you a few updates on what has been going on since I last shared a little video update. So it's been a really busy few days. I work with a group of artists called the Bloomz Art House. We had a YouTube premiere on Saturday. So this event's called Bloomz on Tour, and it's where each of us have set each other a challenge to paint in each other's styles. So this month it was the turn of Elisa in Italy, and we were painting portraits in acrylics. It was a really good episode. I love this challenge. So that was premiered on Saturday. You can find out all about it, and you can follow along and copy the challenge, or try the challenges out yourself. Each one of us has done there's an hour-long video, and you see what the challenge is, lots of tips, and what to do if you want to have a go yourself. So go to www.thebloomz.co.uk and you'll see all of the information on there. But that was a really fun episode on Saturday. So that one was released. I had one-to-one inquiries for encaustic wax workshops, and I am hosting an encaustic masterclass in London next Friday. So that has taken an awful lot of organising. But yeah, I'm really excited at an art gallery in London. So more or less got that one sorted and organised. So that is great. Spoke with them today, so that's all going ahead. Had another inquiry as well. What else has been happening? And then the Art Magic of Encaustic is swimming along. So we've got our first members in there since the new revised update. So far, the main comments coming out seem to be it's an awful lot of fun, which is wonderful. It's exactly what I wanted to hear. So we've had first soul bowls have been made. We've got fantasy landscapes in there that are updated. They'll be being created. Not too many have joined the Facebook group as yet. In fact, very few, but more than that have joined the course, and I can see they're kind of progressing. Or I can't see too much, but I can see they've logged in and they're getting in. So it might be that the Facebook side isn't for them. That's fine. It's not compulsory. But I'm doing a live Zoom tomorrow evening, which is Thursday. I don't know what day we're on. Thursday, something or other. Second week in September. 10th, 11th, 12th. I don't know. Of September. So there's still time to join if you want to do that. And then I'm going to do a second Zoom week commencing the 23rd of September. So it's a bit of a Q&A. I'm going to do some creating live on Zoom at the same time. And it's just an opportunity to jump on, ask questions, and let us know how you're getting on with the course. If you've got any questions about equipment or tools or anything like that, that's that opportunity to do that. So I'm going to keep those going. So if you want to know about those, go to Arty Heaven, ARTY heaven.com, and you'll see all the links. It's called the Art Magic of Encaustic. And it's a really fun group. I'm really enjoying it. It's basically a culmination of all of my teachings, all of my online courses over the last, 10, 12 years. And I've just pulled them all into one group, and then we're doing monthly masterclasses which direct back to the core content in the Art Magic of Encaustic, so that you're cementing your knowledge, you're not getting overwhelmed with new projects that you can't keep up with. So format so far is great. People are enjoying it. It's got some really good feedback, which is wonderful. So that's what it's all about. So anyway, I thought I'd just drop in, share a bit of that. It's going to be busy for the next week. I've got visitors, and then going to London, travelling, so lots going on. But if you've got any questions, let me know. Pop them in the comments or drop me an email, julie@artyheaven.com. But otherwise, whatever form of art it is that you enjoy, go and do it. Makes you much happier. Bloomz on Tour or Arty Heaven. Lots of information for you. I'll drop the links in the comments below as well, so you can have a look there. All right, you take care. Bye.